What's up guys? Welcome to another reaction video. So I'm gonna be reacting to HuhGak and EunJi's Bada Ocean.wav. I don't know if that's there on purpose or not. I think it is actually because it has like that little quotation type thing around it, or apostrophe. But anyways, just to let everyone know, EunJi is actually my bias in A-Pink, so I'm actually excited to watch this and fanboy over her because she's adorable. So, and I love her voice too, so let's check this out. Bada. Already it sounds like EunJi's solo debut song. Oh, that guy's voice is really nice. Her voice though. Look at her like putting that shell in her ear. I would give anything for EunJi to pull me. Damn, that guy's short. I just realized that. Because I know EunJi's like 5'4". Yeah, I would know that. Because I'm 5'5", so I'm an inch taller than her. He can rap too. I want her to hug me like that. She's just like doing this. So cute. Hi, EunJi. Also, EunJi's my second wife, so I'm proud of my second wife right now. So, yeah. Really cute. I enjoyed it a lot. The music is okay. It's not the best I've heard from EunJi, but it's really cute though, and I enjoyed the video. So, I hope you guys like this reaction. Hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next video. Peace.